I am going to demonstrate how to do a half double crochet quintuple decrease, which means decreasing across 5 stitches, turning 5 stitches into 1, using a half double crochet stitch. So we're going to yarn over, insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over and pull up. We're going to repeat that 4 more times. Yarn over, insert into the next available stitch, yarn over and pull up. Try not to do this too tightly. Give yourself a little bit of wiggle room with the amount of yarn you pull through on your stitches. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up. We've done it a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 times. One more time. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up. And now we're going to yarn over and pull through all of the loops. Go slow. Try to keep your yarn over on your hook. Try not to catch or lose any of the ply of your yarn. I usually like to pull through a few of the loops at a time. I try to keep it as tidy as possible. And then we would complete the next stitch. And that is what it looks like to do a half double crochet quintuple decrease. I hope that helps.